Today I want to introduce you to Dhanno 2.0. This is Mr. Jitesh.
Hi.
So this is his bike. So I'll just show you the bike and you decide for self what this bike should be. So there you go. So now you would think this is a Harley, but this isn't. This is actually an Avenger. And what is the specifications?
Okay, so this is a Avenger 220cc. It has dual battery. It has dual fuel gauge. It has RPM meter. It has speedometer, digital speedometer. It has a mobile holder. It has dual mobile charger. It has dual silencer.
It has dual everything.
It has everything dual.
So what's the engine power?
Yeah, engine is same as Avenger, 220cc, 19 bhp. Planning for a Dominar engine with 35 bhp.
All right. So how much did it cost for you to modify this?
It has come up to 5.5,
Okay.
including everything, the engine, body, everything. So in this right now, except chassis, nothing is original. Everything is been modified.
All right. Is it legal?
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. So did you get it re-registered or something?
Nothing. I just need to do a color change because before it was black.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have put red. So only thing I have to do that changes.
Okay.
Apart from that, nothing is been changed.
That's awesome.
So here we have 3 keys to start the bike.
Okay.
This is for the primary battery.
Mm.
This is for the secondary battery, and this is for the 4-way parking.
Oh, okay.
So here you have the amp meter,
Mm.
and here you have the speedometer with digital,
Mm.
and you have the RPM meter,
Mm.
and you have a fuel gauge.
Okay.
So I have 2 fuel gauge. One is analog, and one I have a digital fuel.
Okay.
So
It's coming from Royal Enfield.
yeah,
Okay.
that's that. We don't have
have all these
for
switches.
Avengers. So these are the 5 switches. One is for the mobile charger.
Mm.
One is for the underneath the LED lights.
Mm-hmm.
This is the dummy.
Mm.
This is for the front lamp, front lights, and this is for the bottom fog lamps.
Okay.
And this is for this key is for the primary battery,
Mm-hmm.
and this is for the secondary battery, and this
Yeah.
is for the parking.
Mm.
With these 3 lights,
Mm.
with these 3 keys only, you can start the bike.
Okay. Doesn't start with just one key then.
Yeah.
Can you show me the boxes?
Okay, so
All the boxes use one key?
all boxes can be opened with 1 keys. So this is the first box.
Okay. Quite a lot of capacity.
This is, and every box can hold up to 5 kgs.
Oh, that's good. Right.
This is secondary box.
Okay. How much does a full bike weight come to?
It comes up to 235 kgs.
235 kgs. It's got dual silencers as well, right?
Yeah.
It's got everything dual.
This is the third box,
So
and it
there's
has a secondary battery.
Okay.
And this bike has central locking.
Remote.
Yeah, remote
can you show
central
me that?
locking, and you can see here.
Mm.
You can see the remote. I can lock
Oh.
and I can unlock,
Oh, that's nice.
and I can even start the bike with the remote.
Oh, can you show me that?
For that I have to put it in the neutral, else the bike will start moving.
I think the gears are a little bit cranky, right?
That is as per my requirement.
Okay.
I have no problem with the gears.
Can you just put it in neutral and show me how to start?
So right now in neutral,
Mm.
I'll show you the normal starting. You can see the sound. How the normal start is there. So if you have to do remote starting,
Mm-hmm.
you just need to switch this main ignition on.
Mm.
This is how it's going to start.
So let's see how it sounds. Awesome, man. Very cool. So it locks the steering also?
Yeah, and it has two steering locks.
Awesome.
One is at the center, one
Mm.
is at the side.
Awesome. Too good.